going to be using the Dramatica structural chart. Now, this structural chart opens up, and I know you can't see it very well on the video, but if I hold it up just a little bit closer here, about as close as I can get, you can see that there are 4 towers. Now, this won't show up very much on the broadcast version, but if you have the CD-ROM, you'll be able to see all 4 towers here. And I'm going to bring it in even closer so you can see just one of the towers as an example. Okay? Here we go. One of the towers is an example. Now, you can see on this tower that there are 4 levels. And the top level is what we call a class. That describes the class of the thematic topic. The level down from that is a subdivision of the top level. And that subdivision has 4 different items with 4 different names at the bottom. And that level just below, let's see if I can still pick up our light here, that level down below, I'm picking up too much of the light, maybe if I turn it that way. There you go. That level down below are the types rather than the classes. And the types are describing the 4 types of thematic concerns that might occur within that class of concerns. Down below that are the variations. These are the variations on the theme. And beneath each one of the types are 4 different variations, each one of which is a shading or a flavor of the kind of concern that stands above it. And beneath each one of those variations is an even smaller subdivision of 4 elements. And that's the elemental nature of the subject matter of your story, the elemental nature of your theme. Now you'll notice again we start with 4 of these. We have 4 different, boy it's hard to get rid of that light, we have 4 different towers, and each one is, as I said, a different class at the top, and everything underneath it, since it's a subdivision, that is a different aspect of that class, more refined. Now why create a structure like this? What good does it do you as an author? Well, if you know that you want to identify what your theme is about, this forms kind of a 3D periodic table of story elements, as it were. Just like the periodic table of elements in chemistry allows you to create chemical compounds, by using this chart, you can create the chemistry of your story by looking down point by point and seeing what the refined topics are that you're going to be discussing.